Hey there, fabulous ladies over 30. I'm Amanda, and if you're like me, juggling work, kids, that endless laundry pile, and maybe a Netflix binge or two, you've probably thought, losing weight? Yeah, right. That's for influencers with personal chefs and zero responsibilities. But guess what? It's simpler than scrolling through TikTok trends that promise miracles, but deliver nada. Today, we're diving into the no BS guide to shedding those pounds the easy way. We'll cover diet tweaks that don't feel like punishment, exercises that fit your busy life, and why sleep is your secret weapon. Spoiler, it's not just for beauty rest. Stick around, because by the end, you'll feel empowered, not exhausted. Let's make weight loss as simple as your favorite rom-com plot. Hit that like button if you're ready. Let's go. All right, let's talk food first, because ladies, we all know the struggle. That post-30 metabolism? It's like it went on vacation and forgot to come back. But here's the good news. Losing weight isn't about starving yourself or surviving on kale smoothies that taste like regret. It's about smart, sustainable choices that keep you full and happy. First off, focus on whole foods. Think lean proteins like chicken, fish, eggs, or plant-based options like tofu and beans. Pair them with veggies, broccoli, spinach, carrots. These are low-cal but high in fiber, so they fill you up without the bloat. Add healthy fats, avocados, nuts, olive oil. Why? They keep your hormones balanced, which is huge after 30 when estrogen starts playing games. Carbs aren't the enemy. Choose the right ones. Swap white bread for whole grains like oats or quinoa. A study from the Journal of Nutrition shows women over 30 who eat more fiber lose weight faster because it stabilizes blood sugar and curbs cravings. Pro tip: aim for 25 to 30 grams of fiber a day. That's like starting with oatmeal topped with berries and almonds. Boom, breakfast sorted. Now portion control without the drama. Use the plate method. Half veggies, quarter protein, quarter carbs. Easy peasy. And hydration? Drink up. Water boosts metabolism by up to 30%, per research in Frontiers in Nutrition. Add lemon for flavor. It's like spa water, but free. Entertaining twist. Remember that time you accidentally ate the whole pizza? We've all been there. But instead, try meal prepping on Sundays. Grill chicken, chop veggies, and boom, you've got lunches that beat takeout. Bonus, it saves money for that cute new workout top. Avoid extremes. No keto if it makes you cranky. No juice cleanses that leave you hangry. Listen to your body. If you're over 30, you might need more calcium and vitamin D for bone health, so toss in yogurt or fortified almond milk. Quick hack. Track with an app like MyFitnessPal for a week. You'll see patterns, like how that late-night snack is sabotaging you. Ladies, simplicity wins. Eat real food, mostly plants, not too much. Michael Pollan said it best, and it works. Moving on to movement, pun intended. Exercise after 30 doesn't mean CrossFit marathons or becoming a gym rat. Your body changes. Joints might creak, recovery takes longer, but that's okay. The key, consistency over intensity. Aim for 150 minutes a week of moderate activity, per CDC guidelines. That's just 20-30 minutes a day. Doable, right? Start with cardio that doesn't suck. Brisk walking, dancing to your 90s playlist, or cycling. It burns calories and boosts endorphins. Hello, mood lift. For weight loss, mix in strength training twice a week. Why? Muscle burns more calories at rest, and after 30, we lose muscle mass naturally. Sarcopenia, fancy word for use it or lose it. Try bodyweight moves. Squats for that booty, push-ups on knees if needed, planks for core. Add light weights, 5 to 10 pounds, for rows or lunges. A Harvard study found women who strength train reduce belly fat by 10% more than cardio alone. Pro tip: HIIT, high-intensity interval training, in short bursts, like 20 seconds sprinting, 40 resting for 15 minutes. It's efficient and torches fat. Make it entertaining. Turn it into me time. Podcast walks? Yes. Dance party with kids? Double yes. If you're new, start slow to avoid injury. Warm up with arm circles. Cool down with stretches. Humor alert. Ever tried yoga and face planted? Me too. But apps like Peloton or free YouTube channels make it fun and guided. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Track wins. I walked further today. And pair it with friends for accountability. Wine night can wait. Walk and talk first. Over 30 bonus. Focus on pelvic floor exercises. Kegels for that post-baby bounce back. Simple, effective, and no equipment needed. Now, the game changer no one talks about enough. Sleep. Ladies, if you're skimping on shut-eye chasing deadlines or doom scrolling, you're sabotaging your weight loss. Why? Sleep regulates hormones like ghrelin, hunger, and leptin, fullness. Skimp on sleep, and ghrelin spikes. Hello, midnight munchies. Research from the University of Chicago shows just one night of poor sleep can make you crave 300 extra calories the next day. Aim for 7-9 hours nightly. After 30, melatonin dips, so create a routine. Dim lights an hour before bed, no screens, blue light is the enemy, and a cool room, 68-degree ideal. Entertaining story. I once stayed up binge-watching, then devoured a sleeve of cookies. Lesson learned. Wind down with tea, reading, or journaling gratitude. Today, I nailed that walk. Sleep aids metabolism. During deep sleep, your body repairs and burns fat. A study in Annals of Internal Medicine found good sleepers lose more fat than muscle on diets. Pro tips: consistent bedtime, even weekends. Avoid caffeine after noon and heavy meals before bed. If stress keeps you up, hello, perimenopause vibes, try meditation apps like Calm. Track sleep with a wearable. Knowledge is power. Bottom line, sleep isn't lazy. It's your weight loss superpower. Prioritize it like your favorite latte. So, there you have it, ladies. Losing weight after 30 is simple. Nourish with whole foods, move with joy, and sleep like a queen. No fads, just facts that work. Start small. Pick one tip today, like adding veggies or a 10-minute walk. Remember, consult your doctor before big changes, especially with health conditions. You're not just losing weight, you're gaining energy, confidence, and that glow up. If this resonated, smash that subscribe for more real talk tips. Drop in comments. What's your biggest hurdle? Diet, exercise, or sleep? I'll cover it next. Thanks for watching. You've got this. See you soon. And always check the description area of this video for any help we may offer.